how to fix auto rotate issues on your Android phone. So if you want to fix your auto rotate issues on your Android phone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your control center. So you need to swipe from the top to bottom, and you will get this kind of interface, which is your control center. Now, as you can see that here, you will have an option of lock orientation. So if you tap on the lock orientation, like if you've turned that off, and if you open any application and try to like flip your phone, then you will get this kind of interface. So if you want to fix that problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply go and turn on your lock orientation. Once you turn that on, which means your orientation has been locked and it won't move. This is the first solution. Or even after locking your orientation, if the auto rotate option is still not fixed, then what you need to do is just simply go and restart your device or reboot your device. After rebooting or restarting, many issues will be fixed, which also includes your auto rotate issues. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.